Good morning. I feel so bad recording on this quality. It's okay. If you don't like it, moving on, Jack. No. So I waxed my face, and as you can see, it left a lot of bump as my skin is incredibly sensitive. So today's video, as you guys know, is me trying the Butterfly Locs. I decided to incorporate more hair because I do my hair all the time. There's something on my forehead, I have no idea. You can't have nice things when you ruin things. Thank you. I feel like my quality is just going down and down every room I go to. So I know the concept of Butterfly Locs. Come on, Danny Kane. I don't know. You are gonna do. Hey. I just finished recording another episode of The Call with the girls from The Call. So I actually did do something a little bit productive. If you haven't already, go check out episode 1 of The Call because we killed that. Okay, my love. So we are currently in the car. I am on my way. I'm on my way to go take my laundry to the laundromat. Nobody on either side of it. Autumn is so pretty. Like, it looks so good outside right now. These are the colors I love. Not during the COVID. This man is looking at me. Okay, now I am on my way to the beauty supply. I'm gonna get the hair. Miss Mamas, you can go. Go ahead, this you. Thank you. The city girls. Isn't it Black Friday today? Does Black Friday mean no tax? That hair costs like $60. So let me tell y'all something. If this hair don't come out exactly how I want this mother trucking hair to come out, y'all is over with. Dunzo. I'm so mad. I said I was gonna get deodorant. Going to Walmart wouldn't be the worst idea. I just hate being in public spaces. Ooh, not the police, not the police. That ain't got nothing to do with me, but I'm all up in that. Let me tell y'all something. I went into Walmart needing deodorant. I left Walmart hating myself. I don't know why I keep existing spending money. I'm gonna finish washing my clothes so I can do these freaking locks. Are we letting everybody go in front of us? Is that what we're doing? It just got dark fast. This parking job is horrifying, but I don't care. This girl right next to me kind of looked like Issa Rae. And the dude who just walked up to her car, J. Ellis Lawrence look going on. Oh, she had a kid with him. He looks just like Issa Rae. That's so funny. We surrounded by the wolves. Okay, so I'm in the car for like the last time, I swear. Y'all can't even see a baddie like me. So. Okay, it's 11:11 currently. If you guys didn't know, yes, I cut all my hair off, so this is what we're looking like. I just finished doing all of the parts, so I'll be back when I'm done with the back. Ronnie, bring me some tissue, please. Stop wearing my shirt. Ah! Stop talking. So we're gonna... Ronnie, stop. I'm doing a tutorial. This took 2.5 bags. Shut up. Shut up. So it's called dual braid water wave. I got it in 1B, but this is the hair. I got 2 bags of this. I have been talking about bags of hair for a very long time, but I got 2 bags of this. Shut up. Okay, I'll never ask you again. Anyway. You address the princess. So I take this hair like that, and you don't need that much. You do need a crochet needle, bro. You need one. So I take the crochet needle through my head. So then I cook it onto the crochet needle. This is like hurting way more. This side is gonna be longer than this. Like so, like that. Wrapping the hair towards the head because it's easier to wrap that way. The patience. I got this little tail piece here, but don't worry. And then I take some glue and then just get that little end piece. Start wrapping this upward. And we have a lock. So I'm just gonna keep going. situation has changed. I am currently in the bathroom. I started doing some dreads with braiding hair because I'm going to wrap around the curly hair so it can look more like the Butterfly Locs. So, hey Siri, play Lavinia by the Veils. The Veils. Okay, so I'm here to formally conclude this video. This is what the hair is looking like. Heaviness is, it's okay. It took me 7 bags to do these, basically 6.5-ish. This is what we end up getting. I enjoy doing these. I probably will do these again, who knows, but I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just comment down below. I don't know, but bye.